Time now for a check of your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic Thanksgiving holiday weekend, and boy, weather. I'm sure you noticed if you were traveling, it was fantastic over the weekend and even Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and into today. Nice travel weather all over the area. We did still see some of that low-lying haze and fog. We are under a stagnation advisory, an air stagnation advisory, which will go all the way till Thursday. I talked about this on Friday. A very persistent forecast is what we're seeing right now. So we will see a little bit of cloud inversion happening and not much wind with maybe some degraded air over the next couple of days. The rest of this week looks dry. We'll see temperatures just slightly below where we should see them for this time of year. I mentioned it, morning fog and persistent low clouds in the valleys. We saw that today. That could be our trend throughout this week. Stable conditions, though, will be our weather word throughout this week, along with light winds. But as we get into the upcoming weekend, we have a changing weather pattern that will happen probably Thursday night and into Friday. We're going to see some valley rain, and we may see the first snow in Wenatchee that we've seen so far this season. So we'll talk more about that as our week progresses. High temperature today, we talked about it being a little bit cooler than normal. Today was included in that. 36 our unofficial high. 39 is where we should be for this time of year. 57 our record high, and that was set back in 2014. We started off the day at 30, so we didn't gain a whole lot with those clouds that we saw throughout the day today. 28 is where we should be for our normal low temperature. 0 our record low, and that was set in 1985. Sunrise 7:22 this morning and set this afternoon at 4:14. Let's take a look now at what we can expect for our Tuesday temperatures. And folks, as I mentioned, they're going to be a lot the same throughout this week. 35 for Moses Lake and Ephrata, 36 in Quincy. We'll see 38 in Wenatchee. That'll be some of the warmer readings. Wenatchee, Chelan, also into Omak at 38. 36 in Leavenworth, and 34 a high temperature tomorrow for you folks up in Lake Wenatchee. As we check on tonight, partly cloudy skies. There is a ridge that goes all the way up into British Columbia, but it's a cold area of high pressure. We will see chilly temperatures tonight with partly cloudy skies, lows in the mid to upper 20s for us. Getting into Tuesday, expect a lot of that fog in the morning, and we will see that as we make our way through the week. Mostly sunny by afternoon. We're hoping that's the case. We thought it would be today. High temperatures upper 30s for Tuesday. On Wednesday, sunny skies. Let's just call it chilly out there. We'll see temperatures again in the mid to upper 30s, which will continue to be just slightly below where we should see temperatures for this time of year. For Thursday, then, mostly cloudy skies. This is where we will begin to see the weather changes. Trough of low pressure beginning to form just off the northwest coast. We'll see high temperatures on Thursday in the mid to upper 30s. And then for Friday, cloudy skies, a big westerly flow into Washington. And look at the area of rain and snow. We could see some of that on Friday with highs only in the mid 30s. So expect possibly some white stuff on Friday. Getting into the upcoming weekend, cloudy skies as this storm continues to progress inland. We'll see a 40% chance of rain and snow. Snow in the mountains, lots of rain in western Washington. Warm up a little bit on Saturday too to about 40 degrees. On Sunday, our best chance for the wet stuff. Now you can see that area of low pressure. It will bring a strong flow of rain right into Washington state. Rain is likely throughout the day on Sunday. Afternoon high temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. 27 overnight. Morning fog actually both Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures staying mid to upper 30s. We're hoping for some sunshine by the afternoons on both Tuesday and Wednesday. Going to be mostly cloudy though as that storm system moves in on Thursday. 37 degrees, and then a very rainy period. Maybe even some snow on Friday and Saturday. Our best chance for rain will be on Sunday with a high temperature then of 37.